just grams. Unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I did this Uchis inspired makeup look. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going into my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that red shade and just putting that all in my crease. Now I'm taking this red shade from the Morphe 35B palette and I'm just building up the color.
Six and a half hours later.
I'm using that same red shade and now I'm taking a flat brush and putting it onto my lid. Now I'm taking that blending brush again and I'm just going to blend everything together. Now I'm just taking a clear gloss and I'm going to use that for my lids.
No, she gon' shop.
And I'm just dabbing this onto my lid. Make sure that you don't rub it because the eyeshadow could come off. For the foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth. Dewy and Smooth? What the fuck? I don't know. Now I'm taking a stippling brush and I'm just putting that in, and then I'm going to go over it with the Beauty Blender once I'm done. And for concealer, I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and just putting that under my eyes, on my forehead, you know. And now I'm just gonna bake real quick. Now I'm using my Crown Pro palette and I'm just taking that shimmery white shade and I'm spraying my eyes and then putting it on so that it comes off more pigmented. Now to brighten it up more, I'm taking the Morphe 35B and I'm just taking that white and putting it in the same place. Now to prep it for lashes, I'm taking my eyelash curler and I'm just curling my lashes, and I'm gonna use my NYX double stack mascara, and that wasn't it. But look at how similar they look, like, come on. Now I'm using my City Color Be Matte bronzer and I'm just gonna contour her lightly because she doesn't really look like she contoured, but you know, I still want to be a little bit bronzed. Now I'm just taking my Ardell Wispies. Now I'm just taking this brown Italia lip liner. I didn't call nobody, right?
Jesus Christ. There
Hold
is
up.
a terrible evil in the world. Darkness is spread.
I'm actually scared. I'm actually scared. I don't want this. I'm actually scared.
Honey.
What you doing in the club on a Thursday? She said,
Now I'm using my NYX lingerie in the shade 06.
you know, ain't nobody perfect.
And I'm just cleaning it up with some concealer real quick. Now I'm using my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. From earlier that I used on my lids for over the liquid lipstick that I did. Now I'm using this brown eyeshadow from my Morphe 35O to give me the little beauty mark that Callie has.
fade away, rolling up that fade away, rolling up that fade away. Keep it low, you losing me. Rolling up that fade away, rolling up that fade away, rolling up that